In a lot of my mortgage videos, I'll end them by saying get loan smart. And today's topic is why. Because as consumers, when we want to buy a home and we need to get a mortgage, we call our bank or our loan officer and we ask them, what are your rates? Shopping for the lowest rate. Now, does the lowest rate always mean the least expensive or the lowest monthly payment possible? Not always. So consider these 4 factors when you're shopping for your mortgage. Number 1, do you want the lowest monthly payment possible? Number 2, do you want to have the loan paid off as fast as possible? Number 3, do you want to have the lowest amount of upfront expenses incurred as possible? Or number 4, are you in a position to avoid paying mortgage insurance? These 2 last factors are very important and maybe a little more complicated than the first 2, because the first 2 are basically how much do you want to pay per month and how fast do you want to get your mortgage paid off. So sometimes people need to stretch that mortgage out to 30 years to be able to afford the monthly payment. Sometimes they can do a 20 or 15 year and get that loan paid off as fast as possible, but your mortgage payment's going to be higher. Keep in mind the 2 factors that deal with cost and mortgage insurance. Sometimes you can get a lower rate, but they add onto the loan mortgage insurance, which can increase your payment anywhere from, say, $50 to $200 or $300, even more. Other factors are expenses to maybe buy down the rate. So you might be paying to get a lower rate, and the money that you're paying if you wind up refinancing or selling your home in the next, say, 3 to 5 years, which most people do, keep in mind, refinance or sell their home every 5 to 7 years. So if you're buying down a monthly payment for a few $1,000s and it takes you several years to basically recuperate the cost of that upfront expense, you may or may not get all of your money back by the time you refinance or sell. These 4 factors are very important, so keep those in mind. If you want to find out what loan is best for you, please comment or reach out to me at the information below. Please like, comment, and share the video with others. Remember, if it's time for you to buy a home, no matter what the market's doing, buy a home. If it's time for you to build equity and build some net worth for yourself and not pay rent anymore, by all means, buy a home now. And as always, get loan smart.